Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Emily. I do nails. In today's video, I'm going to do this set of nails for you and show you how I did them. They're like mermaid themed, I guess water themed, super summery. That's all I was going for, so let's just get into the video and I hope you guys enjoy it. For the video, I'm going to go ahead and shape the starfish that I have on my ring finger and my thumb by going in with this 4-in-1 glue gel. I'm going to go ahead and put some gloves on just so I'm not touching the gel with my fingertips. I'm going to go ahead and take some out and then put some of this pigment powder that I got from Hobby Lobby. I'll leave it linked down below. I got it in a pretty big pack, but I'm going to put a little bit of that in it and then just mix it into the gel. It's in the resin section, so it should be fine to use in this, and I would never have a problem with it. So I'm also going in with the tool that I got off of Amazon. I'll also leave that link down below. Everything I'll use is linked down below. I'm just going to mix that till it looks good and then clean up the excess. And then I'm going to roll out the orange gel into a tube so that way I can cut it into 5 sections and use those 5 sections to make the legs. I'm also going to be shaping the starfish part on an extra nail tip I have without prepping it at all in that. With the nail tip not being prepped, I don't have to worry about it sticking super well, so it just ends up popping off. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and take each segment that I made out of that orange gel and put it on the thing, but kind of fan it out so it tapers and make it kind of like a squigglier shape, just so it looks more like a starfish that's been moving around and isn't just straight. So it's not just a star. Once that is done, I'm curing it for 60 seconds, and then I'm going to go in with some hot pink gel and put it in. I'm going to put dots down each leg of the starfish. So I'm just going to pop the starfish off the tip, and then I'm going to go ahead and start on the solid nails. To start on the solid nails, I'm going to go ahead and go in with my Red Carpet's Chrome Top Coat Gel, and I'm going to put that on each of the solid nails. I'm also going to put it on the French tips to start the chrome for the French tips. Once that is cured, I'm going to go in with my Red Carpet Pink Opal Chrome pen, and I'm going to put that on every single nail. I'm actually going to go in and put it on the middle pointer and pinky. And that's all I'm chroming for now. Because I'm going to go back to the ring finger and the thumb and do the water ripple effect. Then I'm just going to top coat the chrome and cure it for 60 seconds. Once that is cured, I'm going to start on the water ripple effect by going in with some white gel mixed in with some very thin base gel, and I'm going to put that all over the thumb and the ring finger. Then I'm going to take a little bit of that same base gel that I used to thin it out so it was like a milky white, and I'm going to go in and just put dots of that everywhere, and I use a good amount of the base gel. Then once it's fanned out to my liking, I go ahead and cure it before starting on the thumb. Once that is finished, I'm going to go in with that same red carpet top coat and base coat and go ahead and chrome the top of those water ripple effects to give it a little more pizzazz, I guess. Then I am curing it for 60 seconds in between everything. So and I'm going to top coat to seal that chrome in. And I'm also using a makeup sponge to get rid of all that excess chrome and get it nice and prep for the top coats. Once the chrome is done, I'm now going to go in with my stamping plates and use that to make the mermaid tail scale effect. I'm using the Queen, I don't know if I'm saying that correctly, stamping plate, and it came with the white and black and the scraper that picks them up. And I'm just going to use that and do what I would do normally. You want to be kind of quick about this because it does dry out really quickly. So I usually stamp it and then I clean up the plate, and then because you can use the stamp once it's dry. So and then I'm going to stamp it on the middle finger and then put another layer of chrome on top of that using the same technique as I did before. Once that is finished, I'm going to take my rhinestone glue gel and glue on those starfish. I'm just taking a glob of the rhinestone glue and putting it on the back of the starfish. I'm just going to use my nails to put that starfish on. And the same thing I used to stamp on that stamping polish, I'm going to use to press down the starfish to make sure it's flush against my nail. And then I'm just going to cure it while it's still on there, and then I take it off and cure it fully the rest of the way. I had a hard time doing it on camera, so I ended up doing the other starfish off camera because it was just so much easier and faster. Now that it's on, I'm going to take this really fine nail art brush and I'm going to go into this, it's like a builder gel, but a little thicker than a builder gel that I got from N5 Nail Supply in Arizona. I got this a while ago and I got 2 bundles of it, so I've been using it a lot lately. But I'm going to go ahead and take that and do that 3D water, like wave effect. I'm doing that on the pointer and pinky and then curing it for 120 seconds because it does take a little bit longer than everything else. Then I'm going to top coat everything with my Beetles top coat. This is my favorite one. I'll have it linked down below like normal. Then once I'm done top coating, I'm going to take these little tiny pearls and put them on my nails around the smile line of the French tips, and a few just willy-nilly on the other nails, just so it all ties together. And then I just cuticle oil and call it good. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a like down below and subscribe. If you have any recommendations on videos you would like to see, or nail set ideas, or any of those, just let me know down in the comments. Also, I have all my social medias linked down below in the description. I do also sell press-ons. If you would like to order your own press-ons, it's also linked down below. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time.